Hello friends, welcome to Code with Kartiki. As we are seeing Python tricks and tips, here is our next tip. So we are going to see how to define constant in Python. So before that we will see what is constant concept. A constant is a variable whose value should not be modified after it is initially defined. So I have taken here C programming constant. So in this way is in C programming constant is defined. So in C programming there is const keyword, and using this const keyword you are defining here constant value. So what it means, once I have defined, so const int max value is equal to 100 means this max value containing 100, it is the constant variable throughout life of that program, and its value cannot be changed. So if anyone try to change its value, you will get error. So this is the concept of constant in other programming languages. So we will see in Python. So in Python, so Python doesn't have built-in constant data type. As we have seen in C programming, we have built-in one keyword for defining constant. But in Python, we don't have that facility. So instead, constants are usually implemented as regular variables written in uppercase letters. So there is no concept of constant in Python. But if you want to define constant in Python, how to define that? You have to take that variable name in capital letters, uppercase letters you have to take, and it is convention to treat them as a constant, right? Means whatever I have defined here, capital I have taken and I have assigned this value. So it is just a convention to other programmer. So this is one constant and don't change its value in life of this program. So this is just convention. So by convention, constant variable names are written in uppercase letters to distinguish them from regular variables. While it is not enforced by the Python interpreter, means I have told you. So if you change value of that variable, for example here I have defined pi is equal to 3.14159 in Python. So any other programmer can change its value. So it is just a convention, whatever variable I have written in capital, treat it as a cap treat it as a constant, but its value can be changed. So it is signal to the developers that the variable should not be changed, right? But if you change value of that variable, there will not be any error. So while it's not enforced by the Python interpreter, like in C, you will get error if you try to change value of constant variable. In Python, there is no concept of constant. Because of that, whatever variable you are defining as a constant, it is just a convention and it is signal to other developer that don't change its value. So now we will see whatever we have seen in slides. We will see those things practically. So now for example, I am defining here one constant 3.14159. So pi value I have set. So I will print this pi value. So here I will print that. So this is constant in Python as per convention. I have taken all uppercase letters to define this variable. So that's why it is a now constant variable. It is just a convention. I have told you it is just a convention. You can change that variable value. So now it is 3.1459, right? So now as I have told you, so this is just a convention. You can change its value. For example, if I can take here like 145, and if I print it again, so we will run this, we will find that this is change, right? So Python is not giving any error. So if I try to change this, so this is just a convention. So whenever you are using Python constant variables in Python, be careful, and it is just a signal to developers, right, that don't change this variable value. So that is just one convention, right? So in this way you can define constant variable in Python. Thanks for watching the video, and if you like the content of my channel, please subscribe and press bell icon.